Hello everybody, this is Jen and I am here with another haul video. Now this is a Peachy Cheap or Peachy Planner haul, and this was the mystery box. So it was $29.99 plus I think it was like $7 shipping, and I will show you what I got because I think it's a really good deal. First I got this 12 by 12 Cozy Christmas collection, and it is a Fancy Pants design collection. It has 2 each of 6 designs, 12 double-sided, 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock, enamel dots, and paper ephemera. So here's the paper ephemera that goes with the collection and the enamel dots down there. So I thought that was a really good deal, and that's just the first item. We have the next collection is also a Fancy Pants design, I think, and this one is called the Bloom and Grow collection, and it also has the enamel dots and the paper ephemera with it, so that one's pretty neat. I like the colors in this one. We have the Fancy Pants Designs collection kits, Simply Summer, and it has the same. It has the enamel dots and the paper accents or paper ephemera, and these enamel dots are expensive, just saying. So each of these has the same 2 each of 6 designs. So those are the collections I got, and then I got these 2 packs of solid samplers, and they're both Fancy Pants designs. My type, which is 2 each of 3 double-sided cardstock, and a little scary. And it just has these colors in it. But then along with those, they gave me the 6 by 8 of the My Type. And the puffy stickers of the Little Scary collection. And then these are also from the Little Scary collection. And they gave me the laces and trims for the My Type. On top of that, I got the Bloom and Grow puffy stickers and the Simply Summer puffy stickers. And then they just threw in this Lake Life, like, chipboard ephemera pieces. So I thought that was a really good deal for $29.99. So if you're interested in something around like this, next time Peachy Cheap or PeachyPlanner.com has one of these collection packs, grab one for yourself. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.